Oh. Hello everyone, and welcome to episode 136, I think, of the castle. Today we're going to be moving some more stones to make the castle bigger. How original. Anyway, enjoy the video. Alright, it's time for the first load of the day. The castle's first morning visitors with a very cool looking stick, might I add. Oh, he's climbed over. He's inside the gates. He's breached the gates. Oh, he's going to climb the tower. It's like a people magnet, sucks people in. They just can't resist climbing to the top. Here he goes, scaling my tiny mountain. The missus is a little bit bored, but he's not, for he has found the top. What a sense of satisfaction he must feel from having climbed to its summit. He's now able to see an entire 6 meters extra in every direction. Actually, no, I have no idea what the stats are on that. He has found an arrow. He picks it up like a trophy, and he rests it down again. And once more, he will climb down the mountain that he has scaled with a sense of accomplishment for having climbed it. Hopefully he's careful. Those boulders can be slippery. I trust that he knows how to use legs, though. He seems to have it down. And he's off. He's off the castle. He searches for an exit. But no, it's more satisfying to climb over the wall because of the challenge than to walk through the very obvious gate. And he's back on his adventures. The end. Right, we have the first load for the day. Whenever you want to track humans, simply build a pile of stone. They can't resist climbing them.
Boots soaked, gravel in my teeth. Every step feels like broken concrete, knuckles raw from shadows that I swing through. Sky black, but I still see the breakthrough. Concrete cold, but my blood runs wild. Every setback, just another mile. Rain is hard, like it wants me to fold, but I walk that storm like I own this road. I'm rolling stones in the rain, keep rolling under cracks and
Righty, here's the castle. We've got a little stone wall. We've got the pool, a random string, a bunch of arrows, a tiny little barricade, and a flagpole with no flag. That's it. That's all there is. Alrighty. I got some arrows, some salvages.
as I push through the pain, I will never stop till I've broken the gate, ever changing. I will never stay the same. Late nights, talking to my scars. Every scar maps me to the stars. I was built in the quiet and the dark. Turned every failure to a spark. They said slow down, but I sped up the climb. Turned every closed door to a new design. Lightning in my chest, heart off a chain. If the mountain moves, I'm shifting the terrain. I'm rolling stones in the rain, keep rolling under cracks as I push through the pain. I will never stop till I've broken the game, ever changing. I will never stay the same. Let the sky split open, let the ground give way. If the rules feel frozen, I'll rewrite the play. Every drop on my face is a war I've won. If they dim that light, I'll become the sun. I'm rolling stones in the rain, keep rolling. Thunder cracks as I push through the pain. I will never stop till I've broken the game. Never changing. I will never stay the same.
It's a big pile of rock.
I will build a castle in the water, tall and wide. Its walls will shimmer where the stars collide. A moat of whispers, a drawbridge that crosses over time. Try to knock it down or try to break the spell. The waves will roar and we'll toll the bell. You'll face the stampede, no time to yell. Trampled by legions of my horses from the depths of hell. The tide will guard it with a jealous hand. Every stone placed by my command. A fortress rising from the drowning sand. Cursed are they who try to stop my clan. Step too close, hear the thunders cry. The sky will split and the sea will die. Try to knock it down or try to break the spell. The waves will roar and toll the bell. You'll face the mortars and sulfur
There's
rain.
Double.
No time to yell, you'll be engulfed by the
There's
pain.
the giant seagull.
Horses made of shadows and dancing in the flames. Charging through the water if you try to bring me shame. Help me out and be my friend and you will be just fine. But if you try to bring me down, my legions might rip out your spine. I just crafted a chest out of wood with bronze bling. Got the jasper redstone for the arcane things. Stacking up bases, sleeve full of aces. Turn around and shoot before 50 pace. Blueprint spread on the map like a prophecy. Every single block in the spot where it ought to be. Torch in my palm, got the shadows all backing up. If you see the banner on the wall, better pack it up. Chest full of aces, heavy like gold. Every little secret in the slot I hold. If you get close, better know your place. Turn around and shoot before 50 pace. Chest full of aces, locked in tight. Everything I built gonna glow at night. Try your luck, but you can't save face. Turn around and shoot before 50 paces. Hey! Got traps in the grass, they asleep till you step wrong. Runes in the floor, hum quiet, then they hit strong. Front gate guarded by the crew that don't blink twice. Eyes on the prize, but the price here bites. Simply mining for the rare and the rough dirt. Turn scraps into crowns, make the grind work. If you see my banner in the sky, that's warning sign. Count it down, 10 heartbeats, then it's all mine. Yeah, chest full of aces, heavy like gold. Every little secret in the slot I hold. If you get close, better know your place. Turn around and shoot before 50 paces. Chest full of aces, locked in tight. Everything I built gonna glow at night. Try your luck, but you can't save face. Turn around and shoot before 50 paces. Hey!
Right everyone, I've got a stash of arrows, sticks. The string is highly strung. I've got a little circle. And we stand on top of it. It's a little bit of a way down. Get some perspective. This little edge here. You can see that. It's almost getting high enough that it hurts to jump down. But pretty slopey, so nice bubble mouth.
Knuckles in the floor until my fists are both cut up. La, 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 push, pull, push, pull. Push-ups from my burning will. jerky, have my fill. Push, pull, push, pull. Burning neurons know the drill. Push, pull, push, pull. Paw the ground like I'm a bull. Just the jerky, no more candy. No plan A and no plan B. Punch the ground and fly.
You can see all the little snail trails where I break the stone.
Nothing truly comes for free.
It's getting very close. I can see it.
Unless I want it,
Coming
then
in
it's
just
for
there.
me.
So I might get one more in.
They're calling it damage control. With my fists we rock and we roll. Punch through dimensions with fire. Resonance burns through the wire. Gaining in levels get swole. Rigging elections we troll. Presidents lined up on strings. Put them with silver black wings. Wars start far off in the past. Pen to the page and they last. Flick of my quill and time changes. Formed in the plagues of the gas. From my burning wheel. Push, pull, push, pull. Eating jerky, have my fill. Push, pull, push, pull. Burning neurons know the drill. Push, pull, push, pull. Paw the ground like I'm a bull. Just the jerky, no more candy. No plan A and no plan B. Punch the ground and fly up quick. Etch and stone with this is he. 6-letter name in this Stanley. Crack my bones until they're big. Training for a fighting spree. Nothing truly comes for free. Unless I want it, then it's for me. Leveling, leveling, climbing the mountains. Climb every one, then I'm building up fountains. Fountain of youth, now why should I find it? Why should I travel when I could just build it?
Alright, I stayed out a little while longer. We made some progress. We've got a little bit of a wall just facing the beach. And that's pretty much it. That's all I added. It's a little bit of a wall. Anyway, congratulations if you made it to the end of episode 136 of the castle. We added some more stone. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
Welcome to war, you lit the fuse, I'm grinning. I only joined the game when I already see me winning. Did the scouting, did the math, tread every little pattern. You flex online in captions, I'm the fault line in your tavern. Do my shield, warlock, ranks, boots planted. Armor made of every single blow I've taken, granted. Crafting on my sword from the names that you were chanting. Melt them down in my furnace, turn your praise into my branding. Welcome to the war that you started. I will finish it. I only join the game when I know that I'll be winning it. Shield wall up, you can't cross that border. Your squad's about to be put out of order. Only words in the corner. You're just talking. You drew the line, I turned it to a circle. Close it in around you, now your brave face looking hurtful. Every boast, every bark was a spark in my ledger. Now I'm cashing every debt you wrote in public under pressure. You brought a post, I brought a battle plan. You brought a lap track, I march a silent clan. You swing first, miss, then you blame the vision. I trained in the dark, now I fight with precision. Welcome to the war that you started. I will finish it. I'll finish it. I only join the game when I know that I'll be winning it. I'm winning it. Shield wall up, you can't cross that border. Your squad is about to be put out of order. Only words in the corner. Just echoes, echoes. Talk loud now when the armor rings. Type fast now when the hammer swings. All caps, all gas till it's time to bleed. I don't need a feet to lead. I just let your fear read. Soon the ground you shall plead. Look the mayor with no creed. Built this town on solid greed. Pretending that the tax he needs. Soon he kneels to Danley. In a little gathering. Plotting while I'm slathering. Napalm to a Molotov. Soon loaded into the spindle. Welcome to the war that you started.